When you're clipping in your extensions, you can follow this basic guide. This is the back of your head. At the bottom, you're going to use the one that has 3 clips. Above that, you'll use the longer one. It should have 4 clips because it's the widest part of your head. And above that one, the other one should have 3 clips. On the sides, and these will often go at a diagonal, you'll have 2 clips. And above this on the top, you'll have either 1 or 2 clips. I believe mine has 1. If you're placing these in and cutting them, you'll want to take a silver Sharpie and write on one of the clips R or L for right or left. That way when you follow this guide and put them in, the haircut is always where it needs to be. So you unsnap this, you're going to create your section. This is where you're placing the hair. You want this line to be very clean, and this line is going to match my extension. So if my line is straight like this, my extension is going to be straight like this, not like this or over here or over here. Take the hair and you're going to tease it. 1, 2, not like this. You want to put the least amount of stress on your hair. You already have something really heavy hanging from it, so you don't want to rough it up and damage it. Now the clip is going to go in kind of scooping the ice cream like this. You're not just going to put it in like this and clip it down. It needs to do a little scoop up and then down. And again, it follows that line. So we're scooping up and pushing down, snapping in the clips. My part line was straight, the extension is straight, and then you can fold the hair over. And see, these are going to stay. You shouldn't tug on them. To take them out, you just undo the clip, slide them up. If you have super fine hair or oily hair, you can use a product like this. It's a texturizing powder, and it'll create a grip on your hair for the clip to be able to hang on to. If you have short hair, you're also going to want to clip up the back. So leave the sides out to blend. This is not very neat, but you have the front left out, the top of the back. So the very bottom needs to be put into braids. If your hair is about my length, it's probably best to do 2 braids. And this is a terrible example, but you can literally just do a basic braid. It's best to cornrow it if you can, and you'll pin that up. Then you'll put your extensions over the braids. So it will just go over that. And the reasoning for that is so you don't have that, here's my real hair, and then here's a drop off of fake hair. It hides that. It's almost creating like a U-part wig in a way. So it'll look something like this. You have the horseshoe or the top clipped up, leaving the sides out. This 2 back portion will be braided. You'd put a little clear rubber band here, and you can bobby pin this up. I actually don't have bobby pins here. If you know how to cornrow, you could horizontal row that. That way you can just attach your clips, and the bottom portion will be hidden. That's gonna help it blend and look the most natural. The best way to blend extensions is to just make sure the color matches. So you can achieve that with a toner, doing a dip dye toner, as long as they're human hair. And also making sure when you're installing these that you're staying off this hairline. You don't wanna go too close here. You wanna leave natural hair out, and that will help blend them.